Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. Just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1967 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We got the brand new dart block, 4-bolt main block, all forged steel internals, roller lifter cam in there. We have a double roller timing chain, brand new balancer, proper oil pan for the 67 Mustang, front sump, Cant Racing oil pan, brass freeze plugs, black ignition wires with all the wire markers on there. It's real nice Cobra valve covers, 427 badges, MSD ignition coil, distributor set in place, oil pressure extension, all the heavy duty Russell fuel lines, gas filters set up, aluminum intake manifold, proper thermostat for the 67 Mustang. We have the Holley Sniper fuel injection on here. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. All the settings will be set on the Holley Sniper fuel injection on the menu screen. Be plug and play, ready to go. We have the throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. Manifold vacuum fittings installed, real easy for the hookups. Customer's running a T56 6-speed transmission, so we put the proper QuickTime Bellhousing on there. Ram clutch, all lines set, ready to go. High torque mini starter. PCV ventilation hose, Russell line. We have the Black Raptor pulley kit on here. 8-rib serpentine belt, heavy duty belt. AC compressors on there. Proper water pump for the 67 Mustang, lower hose on the passenger side. 160 amp alternator, 1-wire hookup. Power steering pumps on there, all ready to go. So this is the way you get it. Again, complete turnkey, dialed in, ready to go. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.